Hello everyone! I'm so happy to bring new products to you guys today. Due to COVID lockdown, the production slowed down, so it took a longer time to produce these new items. Now finally the new items ready. The first set is this flower and leaves dies. This die set includes 3 size flowers and 6 different leaves. They can use on many kinds of card making. The second die is a round dory die with leaf borders. It can cut out rings, but it also can cut out different size circle backgrounds. Here are floral envelope dies. I love these pretty dies very much. They are very cute and the flowers are very beautiful. Here's another adorable design. It is Easter bucket dies with eggs. They turn out so lovely. You also can fill this bucket with flowers or other tiny goodies for the cards, if not for Easter. Next are our stamps. I love these tech background blending stamps very much. I think you can make your tags much different if you use these stamps. And this is a happy birthday stamp. The sentence with different fonts and different size. Next are several background stamps, because we always need background stamps to make our card making easier. So every month we produce background stamps. Here we see these swan brushes. It turns out so graceful. The brush is good quality and soft. It's perfect for background blending. Also, it can use as makeup brush. I tried and it is very good to use. We got two colors, the white and the black. The black is also very beautiful color. Let's try it on blending. It is very easy to use and the blending very fast. We can see the color. It is soft and very nice to fade out. And it is very easy to clean. The Swan brush is big size brush. Also, we brought a mini brush for you guys. The diameter of the brush is only 1 cm. And we designed this punch storage for mini brush sets. Okay, let's test the mini brushes. The brush is very small size. It can brush good in small space. Even we can blend in different colors in small space. It is really perfect for small space blending through the stencils. We can see it blending very clear in details. For a punchy storage, we prepared two colors. One is pink and one is dark green. This punch is also can for watercolor pens and some crafting tools. It is very nice. This month, we have many amazing items which I love so much. This foam we called heat and memory foam. It is also amazing item for our card making. First, we heat the surface of the foam. Then emboss the foam. Then blending on the surface of the foam. Then stamp on the paper. Then we got amazing background. It is very easy to clean. Just spray water, then clean it. Then we heat it again, then the surface becomes back to flat. Here are several shakers. This is bunnies and eggs, rainbows and hats for summer, adorable leaves and flowers. These are chips and chess, and mixed stars. In last release, we had shakers in jars. Many people said they need more empty jars for their shakers, sequins, and other tiny craft goodies. Next are 3 sets of plastic stencils. Each set includes 10 pieces with different patterns. Next are wood burning stencils. Maybe some people don't familiar with wooden burning stencils very much, but actually it is very popular. This month we designed several nice styles, including flowers, leaves, animals, and Chinese styles. Recently, more and more people help us to provide more silk screen stencils. So we designed and produced many for this month. I hope you people love and enjoy. They can paint on caps, plaits, wood frames, t-shirts, pillows, glasses, and any small surface. It's really very fun to play with these stencils. Okay, these are all our new items for this month. I hope you enjoy them, and I will be very happy if you can tell me your favorite items. If you have any good ideas about new products, you're welcome to tell me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.